This is a brand new 2014 Ford Super Duty. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 6.7-liter V8, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, power-adjustable driver pedals, a cooled passenger seat, skid plates, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, rear curtain airbags, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes with ABS, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Hoblit Ford is located at 46 5th Street in Colusa. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.